So
Don't puff.
This mic, guys, try and talk over the mic per se, because if you're gonna talk right into it, you're gonna get your wind, and as you hear a lot of that so try and just aim it right, kind of at your chin, kind of thing, and just speak right over it. Okay? So just like that is, mic always turned up.
Help out with pan scenario.
Hello.
Don't give it away yet.
Say two
Okay.
lines. 1 line, 2 line.
How's this for volume?
How's this for you?
Speak up a little bit more for me, boys.
Sound for volume.
I love White Castle in the HQ headquarters. Here's my
We need
application.
to be heard.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
That should be good for me, guys.